Let's learn how to create your very first custom module. In this video, we will explore how to write and export functions from custom modules in Node.js, making your code more organized and reusable. So, what exactly is a custom module? A custom module is essentially a reusable JavaScript file. It contains functions, objects, or variables that can be exported and then used in other parts of your application. This modular approach helps in keeping your code organized and manageable. Let's start by creating a simple module file. We'll name this file mathutils.js. Inside this file, we'll define a couple of basic math functions: add and multiply. These functions will take two arguments, a and b, and perform the respective mathematical operations. Now that we have our functions, we need to export them so that other parts of our application can use them. To do this, we use the module.exports object. We assign an object to module.exports containing our add and multiply functions. This makes these functions available for import in other files. There are also alternative methods for exporting functions. One way is to directly export each function by assigning them to module.exports with the function name. Another method involves using the exports object directly. You can assign functions to exports.add and exports.multiply. Both approaches achieve the same result, so choose the one that best fits your coding style. Now that our module is set up in exporting functions, let's see how to import and use it in another file. In our app.js file, we use the require function to import the mathutils module. The require function returns the module.exports object from mathutils, which we assign to a constant named math. Now we can use the add and multiply functions from the math object, and the results are then printed to the console. For a cleaner and more concise way to import, we can use destructuring. Instead of importing the entire module object, we can directly extract the functions we need, like add and multiply, from the module.exports object. This allows us to use the functions directly without referencing the module object, making our code cleaner and more readable. The results are same as before, but the code looks more organized. Let's recap the key takeaways from this video. Firstly, custom modules promote code reusability and organization, making your projects more manageable. Secondly, remember to use module.exports or exports to share functions and variables from your modules. Finally, when importing, use require, and consider destructuring for cleaner and more readable code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.